anyway, so...
Yeah, what's his name?
No, it's not. Hey, shut up. All right, axle's in. Xander's bolting it down. Get that in. We're going to put all the gear oil and what have you in. We're going to put the drum back on. We're going to bleed the brakes today. Let's bleed the brakes today. So that way it's a roller and that's done. But then we have to wait for the drive shaft, unfortunately. But it's okay. Anyway, drums are on. Cool. Rear end's obviously in. All the axles are in.
Assholes.
Drums are in. Everything's tight. Okay, everybody double check the brake lines.
I just did.
Si, senor. Okay, we're good.
Look, it's right here.
Beautiful. So, we're going to bring the car down a little bit. Put brake fluid in. And let's bleed the brakes. We're going to make Xander sit in the car because he's a child. Unless you want to sit in the car and do nothing.
No, I want to sit in the car and do nothing.
Well,